Welcome to Guangdong News Furniture, where exceptional craftsmanship meets modern innovation. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spans thousands of square meters, dedicated to producing premium furniture for homes and businesses worldwide. With a team of skilled artisans and cutting-edge technology, we transform raw materials into elegant, durable pieces. We continually invest in research and development to bring you designs that combine comfort, style, and sustainability. At Guangdong News Furniture, quality is not just a promise, it's our standard. Partner with us, and experience the perfect blend of tradition and innovation.